Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, I came across this story that I wanted to share with you guys. Now, it's not so much a story, it's more a Twitter feed. So it's from Dele Mamodu, the publisher of Ovation magazine. And this is a tweet that he sent out to Atiku Abubakar. So he reads, so dear Wazinrin is the title that Atiku has been given by his community in Adamawa. So dear Wazinrin, as a believer, you are aware that only God can give or take power. You've written your name in gold. Do not wait a minute longer. Please, pick that phone and call President Mohammadu Buhari. You have much more to gain, sir. Pass on the burden. So this is Dele Mamodu's tweet to Atiku Abubakar, asking him effectively to concede defeat. But then why should he concede defeat is the question. We have seen what is singularly the worst election that Nigeria has ever run. The election has been completely biased. It's been very heavily militarized. You know, there's been a lot of rigging. We've seen people tampering under duress. We've seen all sorts of malpractice. So why should anybody concede defeat in this election? Because if you concede defeat in this sort of election, then you are effectively rubber stamping this as a template of things to come for the future. So what are your thoughts? Do you think Atiku Abubakar should concede defeat, and why should he? I personally do not think that Atiku Abubakar should concede defeat, because he has not been defeated. He should challenge forever the modalities of this election, if only to delegitimize this regime, which is going to be imposed come what may, and then also to serve caution for future elections. But if he picks up the phone and cashes in a check, and then he gets paid off, and then he just surrenders the Nigerian state to another 4 years of Buhari, then that would be the most unpatriotic thing that he has ever done. And we all know that Atiku Abubakar has done a lot of unpatriotic things. So what are your thoughts? These are mine. Let's share those thoughts in the comment section. I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.